Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, where we transform houses into homes with heart and style. I'm absolutely thrilled to share today's festive journey through Joanna Gaines-inspired holiday farmhouse design. If you're dreaming of warm woods, fresh greenery, and twinkling lights that make your heart sing, you're in for a treat. Before we dive into this cozy Christmas wonderland, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It truly helps our little design family grow. And I'd love to hear your favorite farmhouse holiday tip in the comments below. Your farmhouse exterior sets the tone for the entire holiday experience. And Joanna's approach is all about understated elegance with natural charm. Think oversized cedar garland draping across your front porch, secured with simple jute twine and dotted with warm white LED lights. Add vintage galvanized planters filled with fresh evergreen branches, red twig dogwood, and maybe a few pinnacones for texture. A beautiful wreath made from magnolia leaves or eucalyptus, paired with a burlap bough, creates the perfect farmhouse meets sophistication vibe. The key is keeping it natural and letting the beauty of your home's architecture shine through these organic holiday additions. Step inside to an entryway that whispers welcome home with every detail. Your co-hooks, think vintage-style cast iron or reclaimed wood pegs, become part of the decor when adorned with festive scarves and cozy mittens. A rustic bench with a weathered finish provides seating and showcases a collection of vintage thermoses filled with evergreen sprigs. Your entry mirror, perhaps with a reclaimed wood frame, reflects the soft glow of a small garland draped above. A natural fiber runner protects your floors while adding texture. And a galvanized tray holds keys alongside small potted rosemary plants, functional and fragrant. The beauty lies in pieces that serve double duty while maintaining the effortless farmhouse aesthetic. The living room becomes your holiday sanctuary with Joanna's signature blend of comfort and style. Start with your existing neutral palette. Those beautiful cream sofas and weathered wood coffee tables are perfect. Layer in holiday magic through textiles, chunky knit throw pillows in cream and soft sage green, and a plaid will throw casually drape over your sofa arm. Your coffee table styling is crucial. Think a weathered wooden tray holding pillar candles in varying heights, surrounded by fresh eucalyptus and small white pumpkins that transition beautifully from fall to winter. The secret is building layers that feel collected over time, not purchased all at once, creating the authentic farmhouse warmth. Your fireplace mantle is where Joanna's farmhouse Christmas philosophy truly shines. Start with a foundation of fresh garland. Cedar or mixed evergreens work beautifully, secured along the mantel's length. Weave in warm white string lights, but keep them subtle and organic looking. Add height variation with vintage brass candlesticks holding cream-colored pillar candles, interspersed with small galvanized buckets filled with evergreen sprigs. Include personal touches like vintage family photos and simple wood frames, or small chalkboard signs with handwritten holiday messages. The goal is creating a collected, lived-in look that tells your family's story while embracing the season's natural beauty. Holiday gatherings call for seating that invites lingering conversations over warm cider. Range your furniture to create intimate conversation areas. Perhaps your sofa facing to vintage-inspired armchairs across a weathered wood coffee table. Add extra seating with a reclaimed wood bench that doubles as a coffee table extension. Layer each seat with holiday comfort, cable knit throw pillows, wool blankets in muted plaids, and sheepskin throws for extra coziness. The key is making every seat feel like the best seat in the house, encouraging family and friends to settle and stay a while. This thoughtful arrangement embodies the farmhouse principle that homes should foster connection above all else. Transform your dining space into a farmhouse feast setting worthy of Joanna's approval. Your table runner sets the foundation, Choose burlap, linen, or even fresh eucalyptus garland running down the center. Layer in varying candle heights, pillar candles in glass hurricanes, tipper candles in vintage brass holders, and maybe some battery-operated string lights woven throughout for extra magic. Add natural elements like pinnacones, small white pumpkins, and sprigs of rosemary for fragrance. Your everyday white dishes become holiday-ready when paired with craft paper place cards and simple linen napkins tied with jute twine. The beauty is in the mix of textures and the warm, inviting glow. Your farmhouse kitchen becomes holiday central with thoughtful seasonal touches that don't interfere with functionality. Drape simple garland along your upper cabinets, securing it with small removable hooks. Style your open shelving with holiday touches. Mix your everyday dishes with small evergreen arrangements in mason jars, and display vintage rolling pins alongside your usual items. Near your coffee station, create a hot cocoa bar using galvanized trays to crayon mugs, marshmallows in glass jars, and cinnamon sticks in small crocks. Your refrigerator gets festive with a simple magnolia leaf garland secured with magnetic clips, while your stove backsplash might feature a small chalkboard menu of holiday treats you're planning to bake. Transform your coffee area into a holiday morning sanctuary that makes every cup feel special. Style your coffee machine area with a small evergreen arrangement in a vintage crock, and hang a mini wreath made from coffee beans and burlap ribbon nearby. Create levels using small wooden risers or vintage books to display holiday mugs. Think cream ceramics with simple holiday motifs or your favorite farmhouse-style pieces. Add a small chalkboard sign announcing your daily brew special or holiday coffee flavors. A small battery-operated string of lights tucked behind your mugs creates a warm morning glow. The goal is making your first cup of the day feel like a small celebration of the season. Your family room becomes the ultimate holiday retreat with cozy touches that invite movie marathons and game nights. Start with your entertainment center. Style it with small evergreen arrangements in galvanized buckets, and drape battery-operated lights along the edges for a soft glow that won't interfere with TV view. Your seating gets the full comfort treatment. Chunky knit throws in cream and soft green, oversized floor pillows for extra seating, and a vintage-style storage ottoman that holds extra blankets while serving as a footrest. Keep a basket nearby filled with holiday movies, board games, and cozy socks for everyone. The flat-screen TV becomes part of the decor when you're not using it by adding a simple garland frame. Even your workspace deserves holiday charm without sacrificing functionality. Your small desk gets seasonal styling with a mini evergreen arrangement in a vintage inkwell, and a small radio playing soft holiday classics creates ambience while you work. Add a unique small desk clock, perhaps vintage-inspired brass or weathered wood, that serves as both function and holiday decor. String a few battery-operated lights around your bulletin board or along a floating shelf above your desk. Keep holiday cards displayed in a vintage wire basket, and use mason jars to hold pens, pencils, and holiday-themed paper clips. The goal is creating a space that feels festive but remains conducive to productivity during the busy holiday season. Create the perfect spot for enjoying holiday books and quiet moments with thoughtful seasonal touches. Your reading chair, perhaps a vintage-inspired wingback or cozy armchair, gets layered with holiday comfort, a soft wool throw, a holiday-themed pillow, and maybe a small side table holding a mug of cocoa. Add a small evergreen arrangement to your bookshelf, interspersed with vintage books and small battery-operated candles for warm lighting. Keep a basket nearby filled with holiday classics, magazines, and cozy reading accessories like bookmarks made from burlap ribbon. A small floor lamp with warm light creates the perfect reading ambience, while a soft area rug defines the space and adds extra warmth underfoot. Your bedroom becomes a holiday sanctuary with subtle touches that promote rest and peace. Keep the approach minimal and soothing. Think a simple evergreen garland draped along your headboard or dresser, secured with small battery-operated lights for a soft nighttime glow. Your bedding gets holiday layers. Add a festive throw pillow in muted plaid or cable knit, and drape a soft wool blanket at the foot of your bed. Style your dresser or nightstand with a small arrangement of evergreen in a vintage picture. Alongside your usual personal items, a small diffuser with pine or eucalyptus essential oil adds subtle holiday fragrance without being overwhelming, creating the perfect environment for peaceful holiday dreams. Prepare your guest room for holiday visitors with touches that make them feel truly welcomed. Start with fresh linens in holiday whites and creams, topped with a festive throw and pillow in soft patterns. Your guest nightstand becomes a welcome station. Style it with a small evergreen arrangement, a few holiday books for bedtime reading, and a small basket filled with travel-sized toiletries and holiday treats. Add a handwritten welcome note on beautiful paper, and include information about local holiday events or family traditions. A small battery-operated string of lights around a mirror or window creates a warm, welcoming glow that makes guests feel like they're staying somewhere truly special during the holiday season. Transform your bathroom into a holiday spa with simple yet elegant touches. Your vanity area gets seasonal styling with a small evergreen arrangement in a white ceramic pitcher, and perhaps some holiday hand towels in natural linen or soft patterns. Near your shower, add a small evergreen bundle tied with natural jute. The steam will release wonderful fragrance during your morning routine. Style your shelving with holiday soaps and natural scents like pine, eucalyptus, or vanilla, displayed alongside your usual bath items. A small battery-operated candle provides ambience without the fire hazard, and perhaps a holiday-scented reed diffuser adds continuous fragrance. The goal is creating a spa-like retreat where you can refresh and recharge during the busy holiday season. Even your guide can embrace farmhouse holiday style while maintaining its functionality. Use galvanized buckets and vintage-style baskets to organize holiday decorations, making storage both practical and beautiful. Create a holiday decoration station using a weathered wood workbench or simple table, where you can arrange greenery and prepare indoor decorations. Install simple hooks on weathered wood boards for hanging outdoor decorations when not in use. Keep a few evergreen arrangements in mason jars on shelving to bring holiday fragrance even to this utilitarian space. Add battery-operated lights along your shelving for better visibility and subtle holiday ambience. The key is maintaining organization while incorporating those signature farmhouse materials and textures that make even storage areas feel intentional and beautiful. Extend your holiday celebrations outdoors with a patio setup that embraces winter's beauty. String warm white lights along your porch railing or overhead beams, creating a magical outdoor room. Add weather-resistant seating with outdoor cushions in holiday patterns, and drape them with waterproof throws for extra warmth. Create focal points with large galvanized planters filled with evergreen branches, birch logs, and red twig dogwood for natural color. Include battery-operated lanterns on side tables for additional lighting, and perhaps a small outdoor heater disguised with a burlap skirt. Keep a basket nearby filled with outdoor blankets, so family and friends can enjoy evening conversations under the stars. This outdoor extension doubles your entertaining space and embraces the farmhouse philosophy of indoor-outdoor living. Achieving Joanna's signature look requires understanding key styling principles that create authentic farmhouse charm. Start with the rule of threes. Group items in odd numbers for visual interest, like 3 different sized candles or 3 small evergreen arrangements. Layer textures throughout your space. Smooth ceramics with rough burlap, sleek metals with weathered wood, soft fabrics with natural greenery. Embrace imperfection. Slightly asymmetrical arrangements and well-worn pieces add authentic character. Use height variation to create visual interest, mixing tall and short elements throughout your displays. Most importantly, edit ruthlessly. Farmhouse style is about quality over quantity. So choose pieces that truly speak to you and your family's story rather than filling every surface. Investing in quality farmhouse pieces means selecting items that transition beautifully from holiday to everyday use. Look for furniture with good bones, solid wood construction, classic proportions, and timeless finishes that can be styled differently throughout the year. Choose neutral base pieces like cream sofas, weatherwood tables, and vintage-inspired storage that serve as backdrops for seasonal styling. When adding new pieces, consider their year-round functionality. Does that holiday bench also work for everyday seating? Will those galvanized planters transition to spring flowers? Quality over quantity ensures your investment pays dividends beyond just the holiday season and creates the collected over time look that's essential to authentic farmhouse style. The magic of farmhouse holiday style lives in the thoughtful details that create warmth and authenticity. Choose accessories with stories, vintage thermoses found at flea markets, hand-thrown pottery from local artisans, family heirloom ornaments mixed with new finds. Layer in natural textures, jute rope, burlap ribbon, raw wood, galvanized metal, and fresh greenery. Use lighting strategically. Battery-operated options offer flexibility without visible cords, while varying heights create depth and interest. Don't forget fragrance, fresh evergreen, cinnamon sticks, and eucalyptus engage multiple senses. The key is choosing accessories that feel personal and meaningful rather than store-bought perfection, creating spaces that tell your family's unique holiday story. As we wrap up this cozy journey through Joanna Gaines-inspired farmhouse holiday design, I hope you're feeling inspired to create your own warm and welcoming holiday haven. Remember, the most beautiful farmhouse spaces aren't about perfection. They're about creating environments where memories are made and families gather. Start with one room, add layers slowly, and choose pieces that speak to your heart. Whether it's that perfect evergreen garland, those cozy throw pillows, or simply rearranging furniture to encourage conversation, every small step brings you closer to that signature farmhouse warmth. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for more design inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if it sparked some holiday decorating ideas, and share your favorite farmhouse holiday tip in the comments. I love hearing from our design family. Here's to creating homes filled with love, warmth, and beautiful memories this holiday season.